To create a birth record, go to Livestock, Individuals, and Add Records. Under the Life Cycle section, go to Birth Record. Here, you have the option to choose individual birth or calving event. Since you want to track these calves in AgriWebb, choose individual birth. First, you'll toggle from basic to advanced. Keep in mind, some of these fields are optional, and the only required information is what you see in asterisks. So here, you'll enter the date of birth, and this is where you select the birth dam. Select this animal. For birth dam as surrogate, if you're doing an embryo transfer, you would choose yes. And then under genetic dam identifier, you would choose which cow that embryo was pulled from, and you can choose that from an individual list or a manual entry. For this example, I did not do an embryo transfer, so I'll choose no. And then under sire identifier, you can select from a service history, select from individual list, manual entry, or do not record. If you choose select from service history, you'll see AgriWebb automatically populates a list of bulls based on the information you entered above. So you select the appropriate bull here. Under paternity type, you can choose natural or straw. In the birthing section, this is where you can enter information if there were any difficulty related to the birth. This is rank 1 through 5. If you needed to help in any way, you have a couple of different options to choose from here. You can also record if there was any malpresentation, aggressiveness, or afterbirth difficulty. Under offspring, you can enter the breed, number of offspring, and if you want to manage them in AgriWebb. Here, you will enter the sex, whether it was stillborn, the fertility status, and here are some optional fields if you would like to enter a name, tattoo, or brand. For the tag information, if the calf is getting a visual ID, you can choose visual tag, enter the number, as well as the tag color. If it's getting additional tags, you can choose those here. Under movement, you'll choose the paddock that it's in, the management group it's a part of, and if you would like to add a weight, you can enter the weight here, and then under weigh event, choose birth weight. And then if there are any costs associated with the birth that you would like to include, you can do so here.